Incanto is a textured genuine slate lime finish. Tintable with Decora tinting system. Mineral primer is a primer for internal and external surfaces. It is suitable for mineral products. Pour mineral primer in an empty bucket, add 20 to 30% of clean water, and mix mechanically or manually. Proceed with direct application on new surfaces such as gypsum board, concrete surface, MDF board. Dock primer can be used as a substitute primer. For more information, please consult the technical data sheet. Drying time, 2 hours, depending on temperature and humidity. Incanto truly speaks the language of art and creativity. It is the most versatile lime-based plaster in our collection. Apply a coat of Incanto, leaving an irregular effect, as shown, using a moderate quantity of product. Working the lime in different strokes, creating a layers effect. Once the first layer is dry, apply a layer on top of each other, leaving an irregular surface, as shown, with a moderate and uneven pressure in any direction. Let the material overlapping and creating a natural difference in thickness along the surface. Incanto is a material that inspires creativity and imagination, make it become a natural beauty. Limited only by imagination, Incanto is a premium quality finish, sought after by architects and designers to add luxury and transform a space into a masterpiece.